Let's take a look at how Vinimay helps you efficiently manage your receivables, payables, and expense accounts. First, let's manage your receivables. Click on Ledger in the sidebar and then select Receivables. This section allows you to track all amounts owed by your customers. In the customer ledger, you'll see a snapshot of your customer balances, including their name, contact number, and balance. To view the detailed payment history of a customer, click View Ledger next to their name. In the Customer Ledger section, you'll get a full breakdown of the customer's transactions, including the total debit and credit amounts. In this ledger, you can view customer's name, total credit, representing the total amount the customer owes, total debit, showing the payments that have been received from the customer, balance, indicating the remaining amount the customer still owes. Under Ledger Details, you'll see a breakdown of transactions under two categories: debit side and credit side. Debit side lists all payments received, including the date, transaction type, payment method, and the amount paid. Credit side shows all the sales transactions, including dates, payment methods, and amounts. Under the View Details section of the transaction, you'll find a detailed breakdown of the items. Subtotal, the total amount before taxes. Tax total, the tax amount applied. Grand total, the final amount for the transaction. Below, you can see the item details, including the item name, type product or service, quantity, HSN, SAC code for GST, price, unit, and total for each item, providing a clear overview of the transaction. This detailed breakdown helps you track all payments, sales, and remaining balances, ensuring you have a clear view of your customer's payment history. You can also filter the data by date range or search for a specific customer using the search bar to easily find transactions for a particular period. At the top of your receivables, you'll find the All Companies dropdown. If you manage multiple businesses, this feature lets you instantly switch between companies or view combined data for all of them in one place, making multi-business management simple and organized. Next, let's look at payables. To manage amounts you owe to vendors, go to Ledger and select Payables. In the Vendor Account section, you can view Total Vendors, Net Payable, the total amount you owe to your vendors, Total Credit, the amount you've paid, Total Debit, the total amount of purchases from your vendors. Below the summary, you'll see a list of your vendors showing their name and balance. Click View Ledger next to a vendor to see their detailed payment history. Vendor Overview, Total Purchases, the total amount you've purchased from the vendor, Total Payments, the total payments you've made to the vendor, Net Balance, the remaining amount payable to the vendor, and the status section shows whether the vendor's payments are payable or have been settled. Under this details, you'll see a breakdown of transactions under two categories: debit side and credit side. Debit side, you can see all purchases made from the vendor, including the date, transaction type, payment method, and amount. Credit side, you'll find all the payments made to the vendor, including details such as the date, transaction type, payment method, and the amount. Under the View Details section of the transaction, you'll find a detailed breakdown of the items. This detailed breakdown helps you track both your purchases and payments with each vendor, providing a clear view of outstanding amounts and completed transactions. You can filter transactions by vendor or date range to quickly review past payments and outstanding balances. At the top of your payable, you'll find the All Companies dropdown. If you manage multiple businesses, this feature lets you instantly switch between companies or view combined data for all of them in one place, making multi-business management simple and organized. Now, let's take a look at your expense account. Click on Ledger, select Payables, and select Expense Account at the top right corner to manage and track your business expenses. In this section, you'll see a complete overview of your business expenses. You can filter expenses by category, select a custom date range, view total categories, and check the total expenses spent across all categories. Each expense category shows its total amount along with a View Ledger button. When you click View Ledger, it opens a detailed expense ledger. You can see the filters and view all transaction details, including the date, particulars, payment method like bank transfer, and the exact amount spent. This helps you track every expense clearly and stay updated with real-time totals. At the top of your expenses, you'll find the All Companies dropdown. If you manage multiple businesses, this feature lets you instantly switch between companies or view combined data for all of them in one place, making multi-business management simple and organized. The Export feature lets you quickly download your receivables, payables, or expense data in a CSV file. With Vinimay, managing your receivables, payables, and expenses becomes seamless. That's a quick overview of the ledger features in Vinimay.